Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning products, specifically focusing on Better Life. The big question is Better Life non-toxic? In a world increasingly concerned about the chemicals we use in our homes, Better Life positions itself as a natural alternative. Their products boast being eco-friendly and free from harmful toxins. But how true is this claim? Let's explore the ingredients, reviews, and overall safety of Better Life cleaning products. Before we get into the nitty gritty, I want to share my perspective. As someone who values a clean home but also prioritizes health and safety, I often find myself scrutinizing the labels of cleaning products. The idea of using something that's safe for my family and pets is incredibly appealing. However, I also believe that in transparency, just because a product claims to be non toxic doesn't always mean it is. Please note that what I'm sharing today is based on research and personal opinion. Always do your own research before making any purchases. Better Life products are marketed as being made from 100% plant-derived ingredients. For instance, their all-purpose cleaner contains over 99% natural components with only one synthetic preservative, making up less than 0.001% of its formula. However, some reviews raise concerns about certain ingredients like this one, a preservative known for causing skin sensitivities and allergies. While this ingredient is used in small quantities, its presence contradicts Better Life's commitment to being toxin-free. Now, if we're going to talk about the reviews and customer feedback, the first thing that they've mentioned is the performance. Many users praise Better Life for its cleaning effectiveness. For example, the all purpose cleaner has been noted for its ability to clean various surfaces without leaving streaks. The second thing about it is the safety. According to multiple sources, Better Life products are generally considered safe for kids and pets, which is a significant plus for families. Third is the fragrance. Some consumers appreciate that Better Life offers unscented options or those with mild scents derived from natural sources. This makes it suitable for individuals sensitive to strong fragrances. And lastly, the concerns. Despite positive reviews, some users express frustration or confusion over the inclusion of the so called zero point zero 0.01 preservative in their formulations. This raises questions about the brand's commitment to non toxicity. So, is Better Life truly non toxic? While many of their products are indeed made from natural ingredients and are safe for use around children and pets, the inclusion of preservatives like what I mentioned may detract from their claim of being entirely toxin free. In conclusion, if you're looking for effective cleaning solutions that are largely plant based and safe for your household, Better Life could be a good choice. However, if you have specific sensitivities or are strictly avoiding any synthetic ingredients, you might want to consider alternatives. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into eco friendly living and product reviews.